Hello guys, welcome to Tech Info with Kunal and I'm back with another video. Days after WhatsApp made the disappearing messages official, feature has now been rolled out in India. The users can now update their WhatsApp app and use the features across all platforms including Android, iOS, desktop and web. And here is how you can turn on the disappearing messages feature on your WhatsApp. First, update your WhatsApp on either Google Play Store or Apple App Store. After updating the app, open the WhatsApp chat window. Type on the contact name you want to turn on the disappearing messages feature on. Select disappearing messages on. You will have to follow the same process to turn the feature on Android, iOS and WhatsApp web. When you turn on the disappearing message feature, it will notify the contact as well that the feature has been turned on for his chat. The message will appear on both the chat windows. So this was the video guys. Please like the video and comment your queries down below. This is Kunal signing off. Take care. Bye bye.